SCP-682 just broke out at Gate B. I want all available helicopters and MTF units at Gate B now. I repeat, SCP-682 is out of the facility. All available helicopters and MTF units.
The Clown Motel. Does it look like a motel to you?
I make parts for robots, race cars, the International Space Station. Hi, guy. Am new. The anime recap for today is the Duke of Death and his maid, an old buck, hem of her skirt to show her slender thighs and feeds victory.
Clown Motel. How do you know? Maybe something different. Wait, I hear anything?
Alright guys, so I just got this really creepy email with a link to a video message challenging me to go out to one of the most haunted motels in the entire world, and I didn't know if it was a prank or if he likes it or not.
Time for a geek chat right now.
This is the squad.
By the way, my shoulders are too strong. Pango, is that you?
Hey, people are in shambles. I spent like $700 on a free game. What's wrong with me? Please tell me this isn't true. Hey, I got bad news. If my boy Dexter V.
He doesn't even like you. Too hard to explain, pal. I think you're back to normal. It's like edited.